Where you may see numbers, we see a catalyst for diversity and inclusion.
Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh, wait a minute. This is not my channel. By the way, my name is Oyena. I am a SAICA trainee on my journey to qualifying as a chartered accountancy. Let me plug you. Tips and tricks on how I navigated my journey from varsity to being a trainee accountant. Everybody is stressed out, worried about your exams. On my final year, CTI year, you'll know how difficult it was. I failed throughout the whole year. But anything that kept me looking forward to it is the other side of passing this year. In my final year, guess what? I passed. I couldn't believe that I was going to pass because I was determined and resilient to pass. Fast forward, I am now a trainee accountant in my first year, and we are getting our first paycheck. I thought I had the most money in the whole world. I thought I was the richest trainee under the sun. Can you imagine, from getting 2,000 bursary allowance to getting a couple of thousand? I was like, how am I going to use this? But this is what helped me to ensure that I don't fall into the trap. My mom told me one thing: to budget. And I need you guys to make sure that you'll do the very same thing. Know that this money is not all yours. There's taxes that goes to SARS, so plan around your net income. Budget your fixed expense. You have bills to pay, you have allowances that you need to give to your family if you have to, and plan your expenses wisely. With accounting being my favorite subject, this is what led me to pursue the CA profession. It has helped me improve my financial literacy and prepare my career in finance and business. But let me plug you on the tricks and tips of how the accounting has helped me improve largely in how I spend my money. There's an old accounting trick that says for every debit, there should be a credit. Normally, we have this income that comes in our bank account and we want to use more than we have. So ideally, the 100% that comes in your bank account, you must split it between your expenses, your savings, and your investment. I've made a lot of mistakes and I don't want you guys making the same mistakes. So it's very important for you to know if you go above more than what you have and more than what is due to you, you'll end up having to pay debt, and debt, as they say, is expensive. You end up paying more interest and find yourself in debt that you did not plan for. So make sure that you have self-control, financial control. If they ask you more than what you have, please say no. So this is all the tips that I have, and I'm plugging you, making sure that you don't make the same mistakes that I make. You guys can do it. The things that I went through, you certainly go through, but you go through it in a better way because I have plugged you. All the best.
Where you may see numbers, we see a catalyst for diversity and inclusion.